I come from Serbia. And on the beginning of performance, I will play a couple preludes from Argentinian composer Alberto Ginastera. Later on, I will play one piece from one contemporary composer that comes from my country, Serbia. His name is Vasilije Mokranjac, and the name of piano suite is Echos. And at the end, I will play one selection of suite from ballet by Manuel de Falla, El Amor Brujo. I can say a little bit the story about the ballet. The main role is a young widow that her husband has died, and she got in love again, but the spirit of her dead husband is coming and doesn't let them be together. That's why all village is trying to help this couple by organizing ritual fire dance, where they will, with the magic exactly at midnight, try to release the girl from the spirit. So.
Thank you.